And today is the day 32, and today I will be uh, topping I will be talking about responsive web design. Yep, that was a long space. Okay, so why is responsive web design necessary? Think of it like this way. You make a cool new website on your phone and you think like, yeah, gotta send this to my bro, and you upload it on GitHub and make it live and grab the URL and send it to your bro, and bro clicks the URL on his mobile phone, and when the website pops up it looks like very ugly. Yup, very ugly. And that time you will realize that the website which you look at a phone is very different from what actually it is. And so this makes a necessary step to make a website responsive. So why is it important? I just said it just makes everything useful actually. Also, let's get into it this video. While making a website, you should make it for mobile devices first. The reason why, you will face very difficulties to convert a desktop type website into a mobile view. So think of mobile first. So for that, what you have to do is you have to limit your designs. If your design contains web page contains tables, then try to make it contain less columns. Okay, and also limit the navigation choices. The more navigation choices, the more complex the web page is, and it is the more headache for the user to navigate. And also limit the file sizes like the photos. You think that a 2 MB photo will render quickly at a laptop, but that will be not the same on a mobile data user on his mobile. And also make the links pretty useful and limit the uses of frames, flash and tables. And also do not limit your testing. Yep, do not limit your testing. How many phones you have at your home? Your mother's, your father's, take everyone else's phones except your grandma's. I think that won't run your website. Take all their phone and try to run your website in it and see that the web page is running properly, is looking good or is looking ugly. And also try to make all the popular font ratios which phones are manufactured. Nowadays the ratio is pretty messed up, or the size by pixels is also pretty messed up, so you will have your hard time. Also, there's also one more thing you can do. Instead of making a web page responsive, you can also make a website to be selected at a specific ratio at a specific device. Think of it as this way. You have a web page whose background is shown as black if you view it from a laptop. But when you view it from your mobile phone, you will see it in green color. Or in a laptop, you will see it a different color. How is it that possible? By defining media types. Like there are all mobile, handheld, frame, projection, screen, speech, TV, most of them I don't know how to use. The reason why I don't know, you have to like specify the minimum width. Yeah, go by width, not height actually. Try to make it like if the width is this much of a device, then customize it like this way. This will take your time, but trust me, the end result will be fantastic. You don't have to go and remove your code, or you have to give your code to an AI, and that the AI has your information, and you don't have to worry about AI has too much information to care about your information. You can do it, but if you know what you are doing, that's the one of the most thing that I say actually. And also try to make your images and videos responsive to, especially images. Think of it like this way: you have a web page gallery type website in which whenever you hover your mouse, the web page, the pictures enlarge. But when you try to do it the same in your mobile by clicking, you will see the page is getting too big or too small. And why small? Because of the pixel counts. You have set the height and width when you hover it in pixels, and that makes a pretty good difference. So sometimes it's okay to avoid pixels and to use another units. I have talked about it units in one of my HTML videos, so go check that out. I don't want to talk all that. And also try to make your tables responsive too. Nobody wants to view a long table in a small screen. Yeah, and that's it. Make the website pretty much flexible, but also think small. Don't go like, yeah, from here this thing will be coming, and also animations. Mm, you can just disable animations for smaller devices because most of the time it will take some time to load if you are a mobile data user. And yep, that's it for today. And bye bye.